Вот вам колорит колумбийский. Попали на ихний рынок блошиный.
No, no, you can see what's Colombian special. Bless
Yo voy a traer los peinados 10. Cayendo en ella todos los pelos.
Look, this that kind of shoes.
Мгм.
They are selling that.
Maybe someone needs him.
Yeah. It's garbage. It's rubbish. Really, Marina, I want to go to the United States to live there. I'm thinking that.
But it's easy for you, for people from Colombia. Do you need a visa?
Yeah, we need this.
But it's easy to get.
Gracias, mami.
Продажа соток.
We never apply because
Чего только здесь не продают.